Hi, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and it is the last day of April. I can't believe it. I get to turn my calendar. My very messy calendar has a lot of writing on it, but I get to turn it tomorrow. It will be May. I can't believe it. So our agenda for today is as follows. We're going to start off. I'm going to show you the third sprint. If you're not on that one, that's okay. I just want to model what to do for it. And then we are going to do some problem solving and then on to foundations. So that's the agenda. So first, with our sprints, I'm going to get my marker ready. You don't need anything right now. You just need to watch. It says my subtraction practice, and I want to show you at the top it's C, so that's the third one, A, B, C. So once you can do A quick and get them all right, then you move on to B. Then when you get B all correct, then you can go on to C and so forth. So this one is C. So this one is the third one. This one, it says my subtraction practice. All of them are subtraction. Remember, subtraction is when the line goes straight across. That means that you are taking away. When you see this sign, or this means that you add. This operation is addition. So you add with the plus sign, you take away with the minus sign. So you really have to make sure that you watch your signs, otherwise your answer is going to be incorrect. Okay? All right, so I'm going to move this over. I'm going to show you. Okay, here we go. The first one is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next one is 3 minus 1. I take my 3 fingers and I take 1 away and I'm left with 2. 2. The next one is 2 minus 1. I have 2. I take, easier if I do it this way, 2. Take 1 away is 1. I have 5. I'm going to take 2 away from it, 3 left. My next one is 3 minus 2. Okay, so you do it with your fingers. 3, take away 2 is 1. All right, next one with your fingers. Ready? 4 minus 3. 4, take away 3 is 1. So I'm going to put that right there. 4 minus 3 is 1. The next one is 4 minus 2. 4, show me 4 fingers. Take away 2, you're left with 2. Okay, and then I have another column that I need to go down. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 2, 5. Take away 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So you are going to do that as quickly as you can and as accurately as you can. And if you get them all right, you get to move on next week because I'm only going to release 3 this week. 3. And you can do them over and over and over and over again. So it's a good math warm-up for you, even if you've gotten them all right. If you get them all right this week and you're ready to move on, the next week I will release more. Okay? So problem, let's see, I wrote it right over here. So sprint practice, I'm going to check that. Boop. Now for problem solving, you need a paper and a pencil. So make sure you get that ready. I did put it in the notes, so I'm sure that you already have it almost ready to go. Here's our problem of the day. I had 6 cubes. 2 were red and 4 were blue. So you're going to need a red crayon and a blue crayon. Red and blue. Red and blue. I'm using markers. You could use markers too. So 2 of them are red and 4 of them are blue. Okay, so copy, cat. 2 cubes are red and 4 cubes are blue. How many cubes are there all together? So remember, when a problem says all together means in math that you add. So it's the plus sign, okay? So I'm going to add 2 red plus the 4 equals, what does it equal? You do it on your paper. Okay, let's see if you get what I got. 2 red plus 4 blue equals 6 all together. So now we're adding, okay? So make sure that you put it in the number bond the correct way. We're not gonna X out anything. So 6, 2, and 4. And what is it that we're talking about? We're talking about cubes. 6 cubes. So copycat. The number bond shows that 2 and 4 make 6, so part, whole. What is it that we're talking about? We're talking about cubes. So how many all together? There are 2 red and 4 blue, and all together we have 6. So make sure that yours looks like mine. Awesome, and now we're ready to move on. So we did our problem solving. Next is foundations, and we're going to continue with some nonsense words, and then we're going to practice some flashcards with some of our trick words or our sight words. So I want you to number your paper 1 through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first nonsense word is niche. N-I-sh. N-I-sh. Niche. Niche. N-I-sh. Should look like mine. Niche. N-I-S-H. Niche. The next nonsense word is wob. W-ob. Wob. O, octopus, B. Not sure how to make your B, make your bed. The B is at the beginning. Wob, W-O-B. Next one is tis, tis, t-I-z, tis, t-I-z, tis. Next one is fesh, sh, sh, E-ed-e, S-H, ship, sh. So, fesh, F-E-S-H, fesh. Next nonsense word is lek, L-E-K, L, lamp, L, E-ed-e. Now, k, after the short vowel, is not just C, it's not just K, it's C-K, because it's after that short vowel. Lek. Make sure it looks like mine. If it doesn't, you can fix it. Look down at your paper. We're going to read the words. The first one is niche. You say niche. Say wob. Tis. Say fesh. And number 5, say lek. Good job. All right, so next I made some flashcards just like at school. Well, just like our popcorn words at school, but these are on flashcards, so it's the same thing. The first one is 4. I want you to say 4, and then we're going to spell it, and then we're going to say it again. So 4, F-O-R, 4. Remember, that's not the number 4. That's like I had chicken for dinner, 4. Next one, say or, O-R, or. Good job. Next one, say went. Went. Ready? W-E-N-T. Went. Good job. R. A-R-E. R. U. Y-O-U. U. Say his. His. H-I-S. His. Okay, was, say it again, was. Let's spell it. W-A-S, was. Good job. Okay, next one, say has. Let's spell it. H-A-S, has. They, remember there's no A in they. They. T-H-E-Y, they. And lastly, was, say was. W-A-S, was. Boys and girls, we are done. I'm going to get our foundations, my board, my agenda board. I'm going to check it off, and we are finished with the video for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Friday. Yay! Bye, boys and girls.